Welcome back. Well, we had promised that we would have an interaction session with Gordon Kachola from the African Center for Diplomatic Affairs. He is the Executive Director. I want to thank you so much for finding time just to come and reflect on the 45th and 47th President of America, the 60th inauguration that took place. Very, very cold weather in the United States of America. So the President himself giving instructions that it should be held indoors. Obviously, critics coming out and saying no. He probably feared that the turnout would be low. But what's your first reaction to President Trump's speech today? It was short, it was sweet, according to some. But what was your greatest takeaway?
Oh, well, even before we go to the takeaway from your speech, this is not the first inauguration being held indoors. In 1985, Ronald Reagan, it was held indoors due to weather. So, however cold it was, I don't know if it will be cold to the world during his 2.0.
2.0, yeah.
But speaking about his speech, there are three main issues that came up. Number one, the shocker to the world today is on climate change agenda. How will the world receive the climate change pronouncements by Trump? Because he's saying we are going to drill. The world is talking about renewable energy, running away from fossil fuel energy. But Trump is telling us America is going to drill oil and gas. That clearly sets the path for new conversations around climate change. We didn't expect anything apart from, we didn't expect much apart from what he said in terms of illegal migrations.
Before you go to the illegal migration, when you say new conversations, do you mean that there is potentially a point of conflict between the global north and the global south? Because if you see the way the continent of Africa has taken the climate change agenda very, very seriously, then one wonders what then does the future portend for the climate change agenda? We have seen COP28s, COP29s. So where does that place that agenda?
Well, there are two things. The world must accept that Trump from day one, during Trump 1.0, Trump did mention that America is getting a raw deal, and that's why he pulled out of the Paris Agreement. So he's saying, who are the largest polluters? He points at China, he points at Russia, he points other nations. He says, who is the highest contributor to the coffers of green